Welcome to a new video about irregular verbs. As usual, we will tackle 10 irregular verbs in this video, so be sure to keep on watching. A quick recap on why we do this video series. The most used verbs in any language are almost always irregular verbs, which means these verbs do not follow the normal rules. In this playlist, you will read those irregulars and hear those irregulars, so you can practice the writing and the pronouncing. Good luck! Shut, shut, shut. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Slide, slid, slid. Smell, smelt, smelt. Sow, sowed, sown. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spell, spelt, spelt. Again and a bit quicker. Shut, shut, shut. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Slide, slid, slid. Smell, smelt, smelt. Sow, sowed, sown. Speak, spoke, spoken. And spell, spelt, spelt. That's 10 more irregular verbs you now know. Make sure to keep on practicing. Good luck! That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other content on the channel. See you soon for a next Begrepen video.